Clarehill Plastics started in 1981. We're a rotation of moulders manufacturing products under the Harlequin brand, in particular tanks for the domestic and agricultural sector. We have 75 employees and growing quite rapidly, probably about a five-fold increase in turnover from the past 6 years. We manufacture products that sell throughout all of Ireland, UK and probably about 7 different EU countries as well. We were using basically a bespoke system. A lot of our processes were manual. There was a lot of duplication of work. It was very slow. Invoices were slow in going out and therefore getting payment in. There wasn't the integration of the system, and in the end the choice that we made with Dynamics NAV, due to the flexibility and the adaptability of the system, it was a system that could be changed to what we wanted and to processes and procedures that we wanted in place. It was able to give us quick sales order processing, so we had instant sales figures which give us the ability to report on the products that were selling well. There was different grouping levels that we could do, so we could have a greater depth and breadth of reporting on our product mix. It also then allowed us to expand into other areas and give that information out remotely to the sales managers through secure networks, that they were able then to find out real time what was on order, what had been sold, what the figures were for their area and for their customers, so they could deal more efficiently with their customers and be more empowered in working with them. The Harlequin brand is now being sold throughout Europe. That then has added the difficulties of having differential currencies, different timing for deliveries, and added aspects of different product ranges, which we've been able to cope with very well then with the system. Since the introduction of the dynamic system, we've also changed from being a single full load dispatch from our location in Moira to satellite locations based throughout all of the UK. The migration across to Dynamics NAV was less painful than a lot of people had thought, mainly because of familiarity of the product. They were able to see quickly that they can export out to Microsoft Excel, they can use Word for any of the mailing lists, and they can do that very quickly and simply. It's also the knowledge that they have in those applications is easily transferred then to the Dynamics NAV system. Microsoft Dynamics has been able to give us the confidence in the figures that are produced. We know that the figures that we see are correct. There's no having to interrogate again and question and query, because we know that what's in there is correct. Now we've got a reliable, stable product which can allow us to grow. It's something that before we would never have been able to achieve the growth status that we have with the previous product that we had, and in a way probably I don't think we could with any other product out there, and probably from that never looked back.